All right, so we are discussing applications of square root equations. Okay, so the first example, it says a farmer wants to make some crop circles so he can get on the news and say it was aliens. He needs to know how much area of his field will be lost. He wants the crop circle to be 40 feet across. Okay, what will be the area of the crop circle? Use the formula, r equals the square root of a divided by pi. So r represents radius, capital A is your area, and then the pi symbol is just pi, which is 3.14 approximately, right? Rounded 3.14. So one thing we know, let's pretend this is our crop circle. If it is 40 feet across, okay, that means that is your diameter. Diameter is the full distance across. So if our diameter is 40, our radius is half, which means we have a radius of 20, okay? We want to know what will be the area. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. So I'm going to use this formula. Radius equals the square root of area divided by pi. And I'm going to plug in what my radius is, which is 20. So 20 equals the square root of the area. I don't know it, that's what I'm trying to find. Divided by pi, we can just use 3.14. If I'm trying to find area, okay, that's my variable I'm trying to get by itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to square both sides, okay, because then my square root would cancel out with the square, leaving me area divided by 3.14 equals 20 squared, which is 400, okay? So then we are going to multiply both sides by 3.14. These cancel out, okay? And let's see, let's turn this on. We do 3.14 times 400. We get 1,200. Oh, you can't even see it. 1,256. Oh, and you can't see that. So 1,256 equals my area. Okay, and that's our answer. All right, so Kate wants to open a dog store, but right now she only has 5 dogs. If the population growth for the dogs can be modeled by the equation f of t equals the square root of 5t plus 10, where f of t is our number of dogs. Okay, so this is the number of dogs that we have, and t is the number of days. Then how many days will it take to have 10 dogs so she can open her shop? Okay, so it's given us this number 10, okay? We want 10 dogs, okay? And we know f of t represents the number of dogs, right? So we're gonna say f of t is gonna equal 10 dogs, okay? Because we want the number of dogs that we have to be 10. We wanna know how many days, okay? Well, t represents the number of days. So t is what we're trying to find. How many days will it take to have 10 dogs so that she can open her shop? So here's our formula. F of t equals the square root of 5t plus 10, okay? F of t is 10, so we have 10 equals the square root of 5t plus 10. And we're gonna solve for t. So my square root is alone, so I'm gonna square both sides. So my square root and the square cancel out, leaving me 10 squared, or 10 times 10 is 100, equals 5t plus 10, and we're solving for t. So I'd subtract 10 from both sides, and I get 90 equals 5t. Divide both sides by 5, and I get t equals, 5 goes into 90, 18 times. So 18 days until she can have enough dogs and open her shop.